What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be part 4, and it's going to be also part 5, but today's video is basically, actually I'm already done with the 4th order box, but like I said, this part is going to be me pretty much, what's it called, I'm putting on the sound skin on the cab, and then doing the port. But yeah, and then I'm also gonna be adding some little clips of some demos, but keep in mind that in those demos I don't have the port done yet, so yeah, so just letting you guys know, cause the truck, I had it like I said, it's my daily driver, so I had it ready. I had to use it to do some, like, hacer mandados, you know. Basically I need to use my truck so it can be down. So pretty much that's what happened. And so I did record, but I didn't have time to edit and all that stuff. But yeah, hope you guys like it. Make sure to subscribe, and you know, stay tuned for part 5, and I'm gonna be adding more stuff to it. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks right now, so you guys can see that the truck is perfect. The box is actually good already. But yeah, let me show you guys. So as you can see, the box is done. Like I said, see, I actually got wood, like, from inside of my house and all that stuff from old, what's it called? From old, pinches muebles viejos, you know? So I basically cut them up. So stuff that we don't need no more. And I'm gonna go throw some garbage later on. But yeah, get to the box. This is the only thing that's kind of messed up right here. But other than that, the box is mint. Oh yeah, let me show you guys inside. I also put the stock carpet in the back thing, because it looked kind of weird with all that chrome stuff. So yeah, you could see. So pretty much that's it, you know. Just a little sneak peek. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm gonna be installing the kill mat, because I'm gonna be sealing the cab and the bed. So yeah, and I'm also gonna be better lining the box, because I bought some bed liner, but I think I need to go buy more because I only bought the small can. But yeah, that's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing. And yeah, so pretty much, let me show you guys the reason why I'm gonna be using the kill mat instead of the what's it called, the accordion booth, is because, as you can see right there, that little gap, and you can see right there another little gap. Like, the more you press it, I mean, it won't close down. So that's one reason. And then another reason is because I have the port, you know, I still need to put the wood right here. So the wood sticks out like around to here, you know, like the port. So basically the port flexes inside and it rubs. So that's what ripped it. But yeah, like, what I'm gonna be using is the kill mat, and hopefully that's gonna help it. And then once I do that, I'm gonna be removing this and putting a sheet of wood right here of MDF so I could cover it, and then what's it called, bolt on the port through here, you know, like screw it all down good. And yeah, but I want to see what I get done so far. See the subs right there. Man, these things hit hard. I'll probably show you guys a demo with some low tune, like real low tune demo. For like this thing flexes so hard, like my mom is. But yeah, pretty much that's what I'm gonna be doing. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna be using this, the kill mat, and then let me measure aquí el blow through. As you can see, is there we go. 16 inches. Son 16 inches. And then de alto son 9. I don't know if you could. It's like almost like it's like 8 and something. There you go. So basically those are my measurements. But yeah. So yeah, guys, so I had to take off the speaker pod, but anyways, I still have to put everything. So basically, all this wall, I'm gonna put the kill mat hasta que llega como hasta aquí. So I don't know, hasta acá arriba, probably, but yeah, like that. And then, yeah, my stupid dogs. So, as you can see right there, that's like some cheap, what's it called, like some kill mat that I bought from Home Depot. It's basically the same thing, but nada más que the one I bought, this one, the kill mat is a little bit thicker, the aluminum. So yeah, so por eso digo it's gonna be better. One, I think, but I'm pretty sure it is. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys este cochinero que tengo aquí. Another quick update. Okay, bueno, pues let me get back to work. Another quick little update. Ya le di una pintadita ahí al port. As you can see, una leve de volada, you know, para que no se haga rust. And yeah, keep you guys updated. Yeah, guys, so another quick update. You can see there, I already put some kill mat there. And let me show you a little close-up of what I mean of the accordion booth. Check it out, guys. You see there? And then, so it's basically from every corner, you know? So right here was barely started. Yeah, and for right now, I think the kill mat is doing much better, because I already feel it that it's like how can I say it's already like hard. The port, it's hard already. You know, like this thing actually works. So yeah, and like I said, let me show you, like right here, you see it's actually hard. Even here, how can I say, this little space right here, it's hard, you know, and with the accordion booth, it was all wobbly. But yeah, pretty much now I just need to put the whole kill mat all in the wall, and then pretty much done. So guys, another quick update. Well, guess what? I finished almost everything. Well, I finished everything. Yeah, everything. Check it out. I have the truck in pieces. You know, see, that's the leftover piece I got. This is what I got left from everything that I bought. So, check it out. And I still need this side, but basically, basically that side is done. Basically everything from that side is done, and then, well, I just need this side. Well, like I said, I'm gonna order some more, because I'm gonna be adding some to my door panels, and probably, I'm not sure yet, but I think I'm gonna get rid of these because my ear hurts like a fucking bitch. Like, yeah, so I think I'm gonna remove this, and that's one reason I wanted to put like a whole sheet of wood, and I don't know, like, so make it look simple. But you know, you're gonna see the port there, like hella beast. But yeah, but for now, I guess I'm gonna have to put them back. But yeah, I think I'm gonna have to move them. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I'll figure out something. But basically, that's what I got done. And yeah, so yeah. Oh, and by right now so far, right here, it's more like definitely more better than the accordion booth. So I really recommend it, because this thing is hard now. But yeah, like I said, I totally recommend you guys, instead of the accordion booth, you know. But let's see how it works out, because it's almost the raising season here in Cali. So yeah, but pretty much that's it. Let me show you this side. As you can see, that's the piece I need. And yeah, now I just need to clean up and then put everything back together. See, that's the only thing I don't like, putting everything back together. Man, it's a mess. But yeah. Oh, and the other reason why I also wanted to put like the whole, like a sheet right here of wood, because I want to put the amps like on the wood instead of having them here. You know what I mean? So pretty much that's what I have in mind right now. But yeah, so guys, so let me just put everything back together, and then I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. But it ain't no biggie. But yeah, so keep you guys updated.
pido nada y no lo necesito. Me chupas tú la verga, te me callas el hocico. Siempre he sido verga desde que yo era chiquito. Soy un gallo respetado, el papá de los pollitos. En mi troquita bajada con los vidrios bien oscuros. Me llamo el compa Brice que me forjó el chulo. Siempre ando solo porque no confío mucho. Si siempre no se notas cuando hay. Los compas te dan siempre llegan en la noche. Que toque un torbellino y también Chalino Sánchez. Unas morras bien bonitas así que no me falta el pase. Una traca cerrada porque me gusta el arranque. Las drogas son mis vicios preferidos. Tenis blanco, suelo rojo, soy un vato muy...